Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to record 2 tracks in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you're not already. If you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments you can play. You can open up the audio recorder and so on. So let's go ahead guys and see how we can record 2 tracks and create 2 tracks at once. Basically guys, we're going to go ahead and open up any of the instruments we have. I'm only going to open up audio record. It's all the same. It's going to open up this recording menu where at the top of the screen you will have the big red circle that is going to enable you to start recording. So what we can do guys to create 2 tracks is do the following. Let's go ahead and start a new recording right here. So as you can see, I have now finished my recording, so I have my recording, then I am ready to edit. So what I'm going to do is now going to edit mode right here in the upper left corner. You can record even more of them by clicking the big red circle again after you have finished your recording to record multiple stuff at once. Then by clicking the edit mode right here in the upper left corner, we can find all of our recordings. So as you can see here, I have my vocals, my 2 vocals that I have created. And basically, if you want to create 2 recordings and mix them together, all you have to do is find the second recording, tap on it and hold it and drag it to where you want to combine it. So as you can see now, I can combine these 2 recordings. I have multiple recordings. I can do whatever with them, edit them, put them wherever I want, and get my desired music. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.